Welcome to MacoAvell. Here are steps on how you can create cement effect by using matte marmorino. Apply the first layer of matte marmorino by using trowel. Apply it by using 45-degree angle motion. Make sure to spread well throughout the wall. Let it dry for 4 hours. Apply the second layer by using the same method. Let it fully dry for 8 hours before applying wax. Next, apply a layer of wax by using the trowel. Make sure the wax is well spread throughout the wall. Buff the wall to remove excess wax by using microfiber cloth. This are the full guide on how you can create cement effect by using matte marmorino. Do check out on our website and Facebook for more updates. Thanks for watching.